Okay, it's gonna be windy, so I don't have one of them fur-covered microphones. So this is the bottom side. Look, there's a face. He's going, oh no, oh no. So the boards are all cut. This side is a waterproof Rust-Oleum paint, and he's getting ready to flip them. So that will be this will be underneath, protect from water and stone, whatever. And it's got a big piece over here. We have new tires coming. He created a bigger space, which we showed you. The tires will be here. They've already been shipped.
Oh, okay.
So now I gotta hold the broom and film.
Whatever.
I'm just kidding. Yes, his shirt is tucked into his underwear. He laughs. Is that a guy thing? I've never understood that. But it makes me laugh, so it's allowed. Everything from the tree.
Oh.
No screaming allowed in a DIY build. There's rules.
No sissies.
No sissies allowed. You almost went with it.
Down here. Watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers. I could move my car.
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay. I could though.
Yeah, I know. This one flips over.
You're gonna spend the rest of your time bolting all this down?
Pretty much.
Okay. Look at all the stabilizers. They're great. Do you feel like the trailer's more stable?
Yeah.
You didn't put the front ones down.
Yeah, see, that's where it heads.
Yeah, I see that. So now he's got to bolt all these down so they're flat and tight.
And that's that. Nice start up here, square it up.
And then start bolting it down. Right here.
Okay.
Wow. Well, it's not that much of a difference. Maybe. But, ooh, hopefully it fits in there. I know, those things are amazing.
Should be good.
Yeah. Oh.
This tire's gonna spin.
Should we measure across, see where we're at with this, or you just want to be the element of surprise? Huh?
Well, the hole's 32 inches.
Oh, okay.
They say that's 27.
Oh, we're fine.
Yeah, but
We're going to have wiggle room. What's going to be nice is it'll be higher off the ground. We can put a slimline gray tank under. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Make sure the tire's on the ground, people, to loosen up the lug nuts.
It's 101.
101. Now the tire won't spin into oblivion. I love just a random broom. But everything's falling out of the trees and you have to keep... Oh, by the way, we painted it with waterproof paint. Your head's getting sunburnt. Okay, back up we go. Better hold on to that tire there, Pa.
Why?
I don't know. It's gonna spin. Or not.
One. Yeah.
Told ya! Moment of truth, baby. That is one wicked drill. See? That'd take your arm off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you do 5?
Yep.
All right.
All right. Let's see. I gotta tighten them.
Yeah. Nice. Better than that dinky tire. That's it, guys. New tires for the cabin on wheels.
Look at that. It's perfect.
I know, it's perfect.
The only thing I wish I had was a wheel well.
You could build one.
I know, but they have.
You
they're
can even
metal.
buy them.
Yeah, I know. They're like $50.
Yeah, we should buy them. Definitely need wheel wells. You cannot build a house with just shit being able to fly up in it. So we gotta get them. We'll get them in black. Thank you. All right, guys. See you on the next episode.
Woohoo!